Wait, let me just put you guys into. Hey fam, it's Setu Bali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am very honored to be on your screens right now because I'm always honored. So I'm going to do a ring light unboxing. It's very, I wouldn't say dark, but it's just like late. So I'm actually using the ring light right now. And I just wanted to say hi. Hello, how you doing? Okay, I just want to say hi, how you doing, and also enjoy the video. Okay, I hope you are still keeping well and you're still enjoying Vlogmas. I think I'm going to upload this on the 9th, which is a day after this one. Anyway, today is a ring light unbox. Let me give you a mini story. So yesterday I came back from work. As I told you guys, I'm taking a part-time job. So yesterday I was coming back from work. I asked my housemate to actually take a little order for me, and then hi babe. Okay. No, it's fine. Okay, where were we? So as I got in here in my room, I saw a big cardboard. It was this big. Wait, let me show you. I wanna show you. It is this big. So I was so excited, like literally so excited. And then another thing that excited me was I thought the box was going to be very small because I wasn't sure if the tripod like would come with a ring light and it was going to be that big. And when it came into a big box, I was like, yes! Give it to me! And then Takeout was running a special. I don't know. It's the first time I saw it was a month ago, which was November. I don't know when the special started, but then they're running a special. So this ring light was actually 900 rands, and I got it. Wait, was it 1 point? But it's the 10 inches with like a longest ring light. I'm gonna show you guys, and I only got it for like 500 rands. So I was like, yes! It's coming with the tripod. Oh my gosh! Whew, I'm even loving the look. I have like the Africanness in me today. So let me show you guys. So it was this cardboard. I found this cardboard on top of actually inside the biggest cardboard that I had delivered. So obviously I took everything out, but I just want to show you guys. So inside of this cardboard was this tripod. Oh, I already know. So I'm just gonna do the unboxing with you guys. So the first thing I saw was this tripod, and I opened it. I was so tired yesterday, but immediately when I saw the cup, I was like, yes! God, you did this for me! God, you did this for me! You didn't. So it has like 2 adjustables. I don't know, is it 2? There's another adjustable for the tripod stand. Also, I don't wanna. So that's how it is, okay? And then there was this box as well, which is for the 10-inch ring light. And so this is more like a hole for your screw, and this one has a screw. So what happened here, let me show you guys. It was actually sold. So there's this other thing that I don't know when you actually use it, maybe for closing your tripod or whatever, or maybe when you're using a like a smaller tripod. and then you want to put the small tripod into your bigger tripod, and then you
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
on the other side. The moment of truth is here. Okay, so when I'm pointing this side is actually going this side. When I'm pointing this side is actually, oh, I see. The moment of truth is here. We are going to see the difference between natural lighting and ring lighting. So it comes with this remote type of thing, which is the whole thingy. Like the whole thing is actually attached to the ring light. It came with these, like some kind of instructions, but it also came with this pack. I don't know what to use this pack for, and wait, okay. Oh, the whole thing is wrong. You actually add this for your ring light. You add it on top of. I think this is extra. Wait.
No, I'm a clown.
Okay. That's add lighting. So you can actually adjust it. Let me just. Can you see the difference? I think this is called. It has it has 3 kinds of lighting. It has warm. Let me show you. So it has cold white, natural white, and warm. It's still light in here, like it's still like around. Let me see. Oh, my battery's low. Wait. I think it's at around 3, and we still do have lighting in our window. Obviously, you can see the difference. Let me switch it off. Can you see? The difference is not much, but on the background. Okay, I think I need another lighting for my background, but I can see the difference. Let me change. Oh my god. Please don't mind my lashes. I don't know what's going on. I'm using it. So this is warm. This is natural. Oh, warm. Natural. Cold. I love cold. Cold is giving me nice vibes. Hi cold, how you doing? So I've opened the curtains and also the lighting is here. Ah! Guys, I have a ring light. I want you guys to go and watch my Smash Up cast, and I want you to look at that video and compare it with other videos and see the difference. I have a ring light. Oh my god! Yeah! I've been wanting! I have. Yo, my data just fell. Everything is okay though. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed it for as much as I feel like I was so chaotic because I was just so excited. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Feel free to comment. Also share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend that we were here. Actually tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend that we were here. Isn't that the same thing? Anyway, I know you already caught up right now. Bye. Love you guys.